dress stand-up?
I'm Brittania Clifford Pugh, I'm 17 and I'm from Toowoomba, Queensland. I'm really proud to be an Australian Muslim. Then I'll teach you guys clove hitch. I love going to girl guides, bring it under. I get to teach these girls life skills that they'll be able to take with them forever. And that is a clove hitch. I definitely think that by going on The Voice, I can become an inspiration to the other young Muslim boys and girls in Australia.
So, Brittania, tell me who you've got here today.
My mum, Kylie Joy, my older sister, Jedzia, my younger brother, Noah, my little sister, Fatima, and my little brother, Xander.
So, how do you think you're going to go today?
I think regardless of the outcome, it's going to be just a really, really great experience. And if people are enjoying your music, what you wear or what you believe really shouldn't be that big of an issue, big of a factor.
Who would you like to turn their chair?
Well, ideally all of them.
You know what? Aim high.
Yeah. I've come to do a blind audition because it allows me to be like immediately equal with everybody else. When I'm up there and it's just my voice, I'm the same. And I'm judged the same and I'm heard the same. Oh, look, who's walking.
It's a long walk.
I remember tears streaming down your face when I said I'll never let you go. And all those shadows almost killed your light. I remember you said don't leave me here alone. But all that's dead and gone and past tonight. Just close your eyes, you and I'll be safe and sound. Don't you dare look out your window, darling, everything's on fire. The war outside our door keeps raging on.
Come on, give us more, Brittania.
Hold on to this lullaby, even when the music's gone. You'll be alright. No one can hurt you now. Come on,
Come on, come on. Seal, you know you want to press it.
I'll be safe and sound.
Hi, my name's Brittania Clifford Pugh. I'm 17 and I'm from Toowoomba, Queensland.
What brings you here today?
I'm really here because I want to crush some stereotypes, you know? Just because you look a certain way, you're a certain faith, or you come from somewhere, you believe something, it doesn't have to change the fact that you're an artist, you're a musician.
Well, based on that performance, and it was a lovely performance, I think
Thank
you've
you.
just done a long way to spreading that message, to convincing people of what it is you're trying to say.
Thank you.
But to be so young and to have such a powerful message, to me, speaks volumes about you, young woman. Like, congratulations.
Thank you.
And thank you for coming here today.
I had no idea what I was going to see when I turned around, but your message is very on point. I feel like, you know, everything in life is kind of cyclical. You know, there were things that we did 30 years ago, we really felt like we changed the world. And for a moment, it really felt like the world was a much more open-minded place. Now we're going backwards. So I feel like your message is just so beautiful and so very me. Strangely, we have a similar kind of attitude to life.
We really do. We're meant to be.
Welcome to Team George. Let's do some interesting things together.
Yeah, you're Brittania!
Awesome.
We're happy to be on your team.
Yeah, wow, it's going to be great, huh? Beautiful. Raw Brittania. I really love the kind of quirkiness of her voice. It's so refreshing to see someone so young representing her faith.
I love his hat.
As a Buddhist, I can kind of hide a little bit, but when you're wearing, you know, a hijab, you're making a very, very powerful statement. And I'm very happy to support that, you know, because I feel like her message is such a loving, you know, unifying message. That's boy George.